In today's video, we're going to be talking about DeepLink Cloud. We're going to be diving into the excitement surrounding convergence of gaming AI and real-world asset tokenization. So let's learn about the potential of the project's token and how you can get involved into this early. One thing that you need to understand is the massive potential of cloud gaming and how DeepLink Cloud is filling the accessibility gap in the gaming industry right now. From low latency connections to remote gaming, and DeepLink offers a solution for gamers worldwide. Currently, when it comes to cloud cafes, a majority of these cafes are pretty much worldwide, as you can see from the list in front of me here. But you can see globally there are over 150,000 internet cafes. However, the internet cafe industry has a history of 20 years and has become a traditional industry. The payback period is around about 3 to 4 years and faces various risks. For example, with the COVID-19 pandemic has led to the closure of large number of internet cafes. Therefore, the internet cafe industry needs a new solution to reduce the payback period, mitigate risks, and improve operational efficiency. Thus, the cloud internet cafe solution has been born. And like I say, when it comes to DeepLink, they are able and currently covering a majority of these countries at the moment. Okay, so let's explore the ecosystem powered by DeepLink Coin, DLC, and its partnerships with cloud internet cafes and service providers. Learn how DLC fuels cloud gaming rental services and contributes to a deflationary token ecosystem. So as we can see here, they have their own DeepLink software. This software is the core function of DeepLink software and is remote control and cloud gaming platform. So this means that you're able to purchase the ability so that you can connect in with low latency and use, let's say, old tech and old hardware and play on that with a great gaming experience without having the drawback of the tech that you currently already have at the moment. You know, there's also the ability for for the cloud internet cafes and cloud esports for them to connect up and use this software to actually be able to host gaming events or, host large, GPU servers, rather than using the local computers and systems that they have there, which may not be up to scratch for it. You can see as well for the blockchain cloud all-in-one, machine. So this is basically going to be the cloud gaming all-in-one machine represents a leap in gaming hardware offering high FPS refresh rates for a seamless esports gaming experience developed by the HKC group. And you can also see as well for the blockchain game handheld console, and this is something that they're going to be releasing soon. The cloud gaming console, built on DeepLink's ultra-low latency rendering technology, presents a cost-effective alternative to traditional handheld consoles while delivering a smooth 3A gaming experience by connecting the cloud GPU servers for a real-time game rendering, and it reduced the console costs by 70%. Now, if you're looking to get involved into DeepLink's public sale before they are actually released to the public, currently they have a KYC that has started, so please ensure that KYC verification is completed prior to purchasing any of the DLC tokens. There currently is a DLC wallet that you can actually grab at the moment as well, aside from using the MetaMask wallet that you have. But to purchase and get yourself involved at the moment, you would need to make sure that you use, let's say, a MetaMask wallet to get yourself involved. So KYC is in progress. DLC price, or one DLC right now, is worth 0.003 USDT at the moment. The public sale is about to begin, so please complete your know your customer process before participating in the public sale. Thank you for your cooperation. So all you really need to do is participate in the verification. You would just need to pop in your driver's license, passport, something like that. Pop in there the requested amount of DLC, so something like 500,000 or whatever it is that you're comfortable with purchasing. Throw in there your email address and then throw in the verification code that you get from your email. Slap on the confirm and go from there. If you are looking for more information in regards to the public sale, feel free to check out Fire Hustle's channel. She has done a absolutely great video on this, and she's covered the project a fair few times over the past few months. And I believe if you want to get yourself involved in this, then I'd recommend going over and checking out her videos so you can learn just a little bit more and a little bit more in depth about DeepLink Cloud. So now that we've got the public sale part out of the way, like I say, guys, I will be leaving a link for you guys down in the description if you're interested in setting yourself up to actually get yourself involved early, which I would recommend. Like I say, it's always best to get yourself in early, especially when it's coming to the gaming and the AI sector right now, which is absolutely huge. And there's a lot of you out there that are waiting for this sector to absolutely pump, and I know that for a guaranteed fact. So if we take a look down on the project itself, you can see that they are currently audited, and that means they are 100% secure and verified. But for the rules for the public sale is that the KYC is mandatory. You have to follow the conclusion of the public sale. DLC will be listed on the decentralized exchange within 7 days and on the central exchange within 15 days. The purchase of 20 million DLC qualifies for a complimentary DeepLink home GPU gaming mining machine valued at $1,500. So take that into account, guys. 20 million DLC. If you were to put that in for the public purchase, you would then receive one of their GPU gaming mining machines, which, like I say, is valued at $1,500. This offer is exclusive to Japan and Europe, and with delivery details communicated via email from the email that you set yourself up with. And the public sale will close within 72 hours after the launch, with each DLC priced at currently 0.003 USDT. 40% of the tokens will remain unlocked, while the remaining 60% will unlock progressively starting from August 31 in 2024. So as we can see as well, we have the ecosystem overview, which I was mentioning before in the video. You can see currently at the moment as well, DeepLink global users distribution map. Currently they have 533,000 users, which is absolutely massive. You can see where this is. You can see they've got 1.6k over in the UK, to my UK guys. We've got a little bit over in Germany, over in Netherlands, huge over in South Korea, in China, Pakistan, Bangladesh, India, Vietnam, Nepal. So like I said, this is worldwide at this specific moment. And like I say, if you're in any of these countries or any other country that's currently listed that you can get involved, then I would recommend getting yourself involved at the moment. But as you can see, the DeepLink Protocol is combined track of DePIN, AI, and game. So it belongs to the current popular areas in the blockchain history. So as you can see here at the moment, how big is the market size for DeepLink? You can see that it knows for a fact that it's going to be reaching over 50 million units, because like this is what's selling when it comes to the consoles that are currently on the market from Sony, from Xbox, and things along those lines. It's actually going to be able to link up, so you're actually going to be able to use those with those. And the miner that they're providing, a high-end 3A gaming console, the host is a Windows system and is compatible with all Windows 3A games, and the miner provides gaming mining machines and receive DLC tokens. But like I say, guys, I'm going to be leaving all the links for these down in the description for you guys. Make sure to go through, read this all, and if you are interested in getting yourself involved, get yourself involved. Like I say, it did say for 20 million tokens that you would actually receive one of their mining machines. Well, like I say, for myself, that's something that I'm interested in, and fingers crossed, guys, I'll be showing you one of those on the channel very, very soon once they are released. And let me know down in the comments if that's something that you guys would like to see. Okay, guys, so I just thought it'd be a really great idea just before the end of the video, just to show you guys a couple bits of interesting news. These are over on their Twitter profiles. I'll be leaving the links for you guys down in the description if that's something that you want to go through and read within your own time. But as you can see, recently they raised 8 million USD in funding, and at the time when they did release this, they had a valuation of 100 million in USD. And like I said, they've got some really, really great investors involved at the moment, like Gobi Ventures. They've got, Dan Family Works, the DBC, Rock Ventures. They've even got Fire Hustle from Japan. And like I say, in the coming months, like in April and May, they'll be listing on several launchpad platforms with a valuation of over 200 million US dollars, which is absolutely amazing. Like I say, we're already aware that the DeepLink Protocol is a decentralized AI cloud gaming protocol. But let's have a look over at the other point of interest in news as well. Like I said, this is an exciting update. DeepLink with Nvidia Inception Program. We're thrilled to announce our partnership with Nvidia Inception Program. For DeepLink, joining the Nvidia Inception Program means opportunities to leverage Nvidia's resources to accelerate growth and innovation. Together, we're not just collaborating, we're unlocking limitless possibilities. This alliance reflects our unwavering dedication and innovation and pushing the boundaries of technology. And there's a lot more information in regards to this over on their Medium post that they've also done as well. But also as well, guys, I'm going to end the video here. Please make sure to like, subscribe, make sure to hit that join button. It'll give you access to the exclusive members chat within our Discord group, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.